Do you need more traffic? If you said no, then frankly, I don't know what you're doing on my channel, because pretty much anybody who's here, you're here because you want to learn how to make money online. And that means getting more people to visit your website, visit your offers, and buy from you. That's the bottom line here. Now, if you said yes, you want more traffic, then I've got good news for you, because there is a great way to do it. It's all done for you. I'm going to tell you all about it in my review of 100 videos about AI with PLR. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull it successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, well, you know what I'm going to say already. Why do I have to even tell you this stuff? I'm kind of channeling Eddie Murphy from that movie, The Distinguished Gentleman. If you haven't seen it, by the way, great movie, kind of old but good movie. He's basically tried to become a member of Congress by using the name of a deceased congressman, and he goes through different parts of town with a loudspeaker, and every single place that he's going, he's got a different voiceover that he's doing. And when he goes to the Jewish section, it's like, what do we have to tell you this for? You should know this by now. Go vote for whatever the guy's name is. I don't remember anymore. Anyway, but seriously, getting off on a bit of a tangent there. Seriously, if you are new, what I do here is two things. Very few software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't buy a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, seriously, I've gotten upset with you. I've been cajoling you. I've been begging you for 3 years now. Get a new line. The guy is driving me nuts over and over again. Crap. Bart, we get it. Give it a rest. Seriously, if you are new, the way you work here, if I like your product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos about mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz. And I say, Liz, she is such a sweetheart. I do love Liz, and yes, she says the same thing all the time, but who can get angry at somebody who's so sweet? Okay, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so look right now at the sales page for one of the videos about AI with full PLR rights. Now, this is my friend Soren. These are great videos. I'm going to show you the members area in just a bit. By the way, the whole thing is going to cost you $9.95 for 100 videos with full PLR rights. That means you can sell them, you can give them away, you can use them as your own bonus. You can also post them under your own name. And I'm going to show you a few tricks about that that are going to really help you to make more money using these videos. Before I show you the members area, I do want to tell you about my custom bonus. So the first thing I want to tell you is none of these videos actually comes with any voiceover. And you're going to want to add a voiceover because, first of all, that's going to help it to improve the watch time on the videos. And also, it makes it unique for you when you upload it to YouTube. So it's not going to be tagged as, oh, another video from this the same kind, because it's going to be unique to you with your own voiceover. Now, of course, you don't want to have to do your own voiceovers. Who wants to sit there recording voiceovers and having to get it pitch perfect and everything else? It's really, really time consuming. Good news is you don't have to. Now, there are actually a couple different options for doing voiceovers. You can get it for free. There's places like Amazon Polly, for example, which is going to sound pretty much like Alexa. It sounds kind of robotic. It's not a good voiceover. What you want is a voiceover that's going to sound like a quality voiceover that's really going to sound like, wow, this sounds professional, like a human being did it. Now, there are places you can do it. There's actually a website that I've talked about in a past bonus, which I love, which I've been using a lot. It's not super expensive, but it's not cheap either. I've been paying $22 a month for 100,000 characters from them, and actually paid for overstock on those characters because I went over 100,000 characters. I think I did about 150,000 last month. So that cost me like $40, $50, which is not a tremendous amount of money, but it's money. if you figure that over the course of a year, that's like $500-600. It's not nothing. Not a tremendous amount, but it's not nothing either. And so I've been searching for an option that would give me something similar for a lot cheaper, but be the same kind of quality voices. I found one where you can get the same amount, the 100,000 word characters per month, for $29 one time. Not per month, once. You pay once, never again. For 100,000 characters every month. I actually went whole hog. I spent $99 for the upgrade to get 1,000,000 characters a month. I figured I'm never going to go over 1,000,000 characters. Last month I was really making a lot of videos. I still did like 150,000 characters, I think. So 1,000,000 is like way beyond anything I could possibly use up in a month, and it resets every single month. But I'm not done yet. I've also got a coupon code for you that's going to make it 15% off. So, for example, you take the $29 deal for 100,000 characters, you're going to get another 15% off of that. So, what did that work out to? Like $20-something, $22, $23. I don't know. I'm bad at math. But bottom line is basically it's a throwaway to have this, and keep it forever. It's a great product. I'm going to demonstrate to you how it works. But of course, I'm not done yet, because after all, you can make the scripts for these voiceovers, but you also have to write the script. So I'm going to give you my custom prompt for ChatGPT for writing the scripts for these things. It's actually a really, really good script that is going to get you exactly what you need from ChatGPT. But of course, I'm still not done yet, because after all, which is one of my bonuses, I never go half-heartedly, I go wholeheartedly. So in addition to all that, I'm also going to give you another website that I found, which is actually going to create captions for all of your videos. So for example, you want to post it on Instagram or TikTok, you're going to be able to create instant captions about your videos. Okay, and that's beyond just a video. You're going to be able to create captions for them. And of course, I'm still not done yet. I also decided to throw in another AI website that I found that actually take your long videos and turn them into YouTube Shorts automatically for you. So basically, it's going to break them down into pieces that you can go ahead and post on YouTube as YouTube Shorts. Now, if that's not enough for you, I've also got one more thing for you, because I'm also looking into starting up a podcast. And again, I don't want to sit here recording the podcast myself, having to do everything myself, because it does take time. I want it to be done for me. So I've got my custom prompt for ChatGPT to create the podcasts, and the same website that I found that does the voiceovers for me, which has the one-time fee. Also, on top of all that, I actually found that it even will do music in the background for you. So I'm going to show you exactly what it sounds like. And there's a bunch of different options available, obviously. With this thing, it does a bunch of different languages. I'm obviously doing it only in English. You can use other languages as well. So let's go check out, first of all, I want to show you in ChatGPT. I just have this little piece here. Now, what I put in ChatGPT was a prompt to create 10 reasons why you are still broke as a potential entrepreneur. Now, basically, this was specifically for the podcast idea. You're going to get that custom prompt from me so that you can create your own podcast materials. What I want to do, though, right now is just take a little clip from here. You can see I've highlighted a piece. I'm going to copy this. I want to take it over to this new website I found. Okay, here we go. All right. So basically, if I leave it unattended, it logs me out automatically. It's a bit annoying, but that's just one of the quirks of the software. So we have here my script that I just copied over from ChatGPT. Now, one of the nice things you can do, by the way, is if you put in a longer script, it'll actually break it down into segments, so that you can have different voices recording different parts of it. So you don't want the same voice necessarily recording the entire thing, because it kind of gets monotonous to the same voices. So you can actually have different segments, or you can also click here to add a block, and you'll have different segments that you can have with different voices. Now the voices are really, really good. So let's go ahead. I'm going to click here and show you just one sample of one voice. So this is one that I've been using for a lot of entrepreneurship stuff, because it sounds like a motivational speaker. So this is Guy, and we're going to set it for shouting. Now, shouting might sound like, what do I want shouting for? but actually this is going to sound really, really good for a motivational speaker because it sounds like a motivational speaker. Let's go ahead and click apply, and we're going to click preview here.
So you've got ideas, plans, dreams, but what are you doing with them? If they're just sitting there collecting digital dust, it's no wonder you're broke. Turn those ideas into actions, and maybe, just maybe, you'll turn those actions into dollars.
That's actually really, really good. But let's say that I wanted to use a different voice. And I'm going to, by the way, in my training video, I'm going to show you what this website is. I'm also going to show you more about how to use it. But let's go ahead and see. Let's say I wanted something soft. I wanted, a female voice, for example, and I want it to sound friendly. Let's go with this one. Let's see how this one sounds.
So you've got ideas, plans, dreams, but what are you doing with them? If they're just sitting there, collecting digital dust, it's no wonder you're broke. Turn those ideas into actions, and maybe, just maybe, you'll turn...
Okay, that one actually sounds a bit more robotic, but we have other options available. That's the nice thing here. You got a lot of different options, and you can test them out until you find one that you like. So, for example, let's go with Jenny and Friendly. Let's click apply here and preview that.
So you've got ideas, plans, dreams.
That definitely sounds robotic. And again, you can play with all of these things and see which one you particularly like. Let's try this one here. My cat is here and wants to photobomb my video. So let's do hopeful. Let's click apply and preview.
So you've got ideas, plans, dreams, but what are you doing with them? If they're just sitting there, collecting digital dust, it's no wonder you're broke.
And again, we can play with this endlessly. We can also add music to it. You can see here they have all kinds of different music options available to add in as well. And again, I'm going to show you all these different things inside of my bonus video, but I just want you to see the power of this system. And we can play with this endlessly, by the way, because all of these different people have different voices and they can sound all kind of different things. So for example, if we want this guy to sound angry, we can apply that and see how that sounds.
So you've got ideas, plans, dreams, but what are you doing with them? If they're just sitting there collecting digital dust, it's no wonder you're broke. Turn those ideas into actions, and maybe, just maybe, you'll turn those actions into dollars.
And again, these voices sound really, really realistic. My cat obviously thinks they sound realistic because she's busy giving me face bumps after hearing them. So yeah, I'm going to show you exactly how the software works, what it is. I'm going to give you the coupon code, the whole thing you're going to get from me when you pick up my Costa Plus. But let's go ahead and check out some other stuff. So let's go over here. I want to show you this. So this is going to create captions for you. So let's say, for example, 10 reasons you're broke as an entrepreneur. And we're going to click run. And it's going to instantly create captions for us, okay, with our hashtags as well. So you can actually go ahead and grab these things and put them into, for example, Instagram or whatever, automatically. Okay, now, of course, we're not done yet. I also want to show you. This actually is going to create a thumbnail for your videos. So we can go ahead and tell it that we want thumbnails. It's going to give you some credits for free, by the way. So we can put in the title of our video, and then we can be more detailed and explaining what happened in the video, and it actually will create thumbnails for us. It's going to give you 5 different options for free. Excuse me. This is also going to be included in my bonus, of course, how to use this thing. And then finally, I want to show you this. So this is another thing that I did. I took an earlier video of mine and actually broke it up into different clips that could be used as shorts. Again, this also comes with free credits that you can use to create your videos. And of course, you're also going to get my custom prompts for ChatGPT to create the podcast as well as the voiceovers for the videos. And all this is for $9.95. Let me show you the manager real quick over here. So we can see here, it's basically just a link off of Google Drive. And it's got some really nice stuff here, actually. So for example, we have this one here. Yeah, I'm not going to keep playing that. Some of them have music, some of them don't have music. You can always go overwrite that music though, very, very easily, and add in your own voiceover with them as well. And again, I'm going to show you the custom prompts to do that. So let's check out another one over here.
I see your voice. I do not have a boyfriend. Are you asking for a friend? Fortunately, I am not on the market.
Okay, they're really nice stuff that you can use to go ahead and start making money off of them pretty easily. And again, you're going to be able to add in your own voiceovers with quality voices that I am showing you how to use. By the way, that place does come with a free sample as well, but I recommend just buying it. By the way, it's not even an affiliate link that I'm giving you. It's literally just, I'm giving you the link because I think this is an amazing piece of software for an amazing price. And I want them to succeed. I think they're great. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You the man!
Yeah, seriously, you the man. This is awesome. I love this. Grab this. You're going to love it.